Ready? Okay, we're going to start today with some parts identification. These parts are the parts that you would mainly see when you are soldering different types of electrical components onto a board. But we'll start today with the resistors. We have resistor 1, which is a 5-band resistor, indicated by the 5 colored bands. Resistor 2, which is a more modern type silicone resistor, which is 4-band resistor. Resistor 3 again is the older style. Resistor 4 is smaller. Resistor 5 resembles the others. Resistor 6. Each band indicates the level of resistance, meaning that the power going through it is held back by a certain amount, and we'll get into that a little bit later. Resistor 9 is another 5-band, and then our last resistor here, number 10, is very small, but doesn't mean it's not as powerful. All right, moving over here. These are different types of capacitors, both canister and pill type. The different capacitors do different jobs. Their main job is to charge and release power in a set pattern. Each one has a different charge set, and each type it does a different process. Okay. These are IC chips, and each one is a set of small switches or relays inside it. Each chip has, in this particular case, has 10 legs, meaning 10 inputs or outputs, including power and ground. Or this is an 8-leg, and this is a 555 timer. These are chip holders, or what we call chip beds, and what that allows us to do is allows us to solder them onto a board using these legs without having to solder the chips directly to the board. These are light-emitting diodes, or LEDs. Reds and oranges are most common. We have green, and we have yellow, which is pretty rare. Moving over here. These are different kinds of relays. Relays are different types of magnetically controlled switches. Some are very small, some are very large. Here we have a 9-volt motor, which we'll see in operation here in a minute. We have a 9-volt connector. These are 2 different kinds of buzzers and 2 different kinds of speakers. And